Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This magnificent 4-bedroom, 3-bath home that has been completely and tastefully renovated awaits its new owner. Located in the coveted Havendale community, sits this attractive home situated on a corner lot that is being sold furnished. Upon entry, there is a large open concept living, dining and kitchen area that flows immaculately. There is a guest bedroom just off the living room and complete in-unit laundry room. There are 3 large bedrooms that flows down the hall, 2 with en-suites. The bonus is one section and was designed to be closed off in a 1-bedroom self-contained flat with own entry, ensuite and kitchen, which could be used as an in-law suite or a long or short-term rental. There is also a detached 1-bedroom flat to the back. This home is also a smart home, fitted with an app-based camera system and gate, solar system, keyless home entry, and complete with all the modern fixtures and fittings one could desire. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $475,000, or Jamaican $73.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.